Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the video library on Vimeo in 2025. The video library is the heart of your account where you can store, organize, and manage all of your content in one place. Let's get started. First, log into your Vimeo account. From your dashboard, click on Manage Videos or simply go to the Video Library section. Here you'll see every video you've uploaded neatly organized with thumbnails, titles, and upload dates. At the top, you'll notice filters and search options. You can use these to quickly find a specific video, sort them by date, or filter by privacy settings. This is especially helpful if you have a large collection of videos. If you want to organize your content, you can create folders inside the library. Click on a new folder, give it a name like Tutorials or Client Projects, and then drag and drop videos into it. This helps keep your work structured and easy to manage. To edit details of a video, just hover over it and click the settings icon. From there, you can update the title, description, thumbnail, and even adjust the privacy settings. You can choose whether your video is public, private, or password protected. The video library also lets you access analytics. Click on any video and select Analytics to see views, watch time, and audience engagement. This is great if you want to track performance and understand which videos are resonating with your viewers, and of course, from the library, you can also share videos. Click on a video, then use the share button to copy the link, grab the embed code, or send it directly to social media, and that's it. That's how you use the video library on Vimeo in 2025. It's your all-in-one space for organizing, managing, and sharing your content with ease. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.